Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, I didn't do a video phathelene noNxumalo because my thing was that I was gonna just put them together nomshololo because my thing is that uNxumalo, guys, vele obe concentrated ekutheni accused number 4. Like I've always said now, accused number 1, especially for me, 2 and 4. Those people must just be free today and go home like they don't even feature in anything, you know? They don't have any crimes outstanding. So uNxumalo, all he was doing there, he was maintaining ukuthi listen, yamas accused number 4, so you with him kasenzo meyo ntanzi Captain saying no angimas. I only met him at Boxback lo muntu lo. I don't necessarily know him now that I'm stuck with him here in the dark every day, but I don't really necessarily know the guy. So I was just like, hey, today kakhulu nomshololo. And umshololo, you know, she's there and she hasn't been to court for that matter, but she's there for the accused number 5. Just as much as accused number 5, it's been going around, even Peggy Tele has said it in court. Yeah, see, ad hoc court. Ukuthi no, accused number 5, vele is mkulukudu. And he has like 6 life sentences. Kula 6 life sentences, he is actually had to come out of jail, bail, to do or help other politicians and other people in high-ranking positions to help them out with some crazy mkulukudu crimes. We mentioned in I mean, as it's a bit much, you know. He's there to prove that whole thing. Next with the plot that he did with Kelly Khumalo, where is the one who was actually being paid by Kelly Khumalo around the 15th of October in 2014 to say, okay, Zokokelu Ntanzi this much, just 30,000 now for Ntanzi. Zokokelu Banbani, this is what you're doing. In the end, Ubrigati Akinid has never really proven that narrative. Maningi ama narrative ake. So, which means Ukininda basically can write like 10 books. This story, because in narrative yake, people came into the house. Kelly Khumalo mastermind. Kelly Khumalo wayengamfuni uSenzo Meyiwa around 2013 wayitshela uZandla ngesamfuni in plotting around him. Guys, please. It needs to stop at some stage. This is like, all of this is hogwash. Like how Mnesi will say. Totally wrong. This thing that's going on in that court. And so now what must happen? After Ubale was like, when are you just leading us evidence, but you're not telling us what number, what page, maybe is it F, is it B, is it C, what's going on with you? Just say page, the photos. You know, but you're not necessarily telling us what's going on. Can you just like are we on F and then these are the pages and then this is the photo, you know? Can we go on like that instead of just when you just sucking your thumb in a way, you know? So I was still saying, guys, umshololo uzoqhubeka ke nje nayi evidence yakhe, and ngimbonile uyazihlisa. She started off ngathi uyazihlisa kancane. She's just like, as the court pleases, my lord. But umbona ukuthi wanted to trash uBaloyi. When uBaloyi stood up, it was bamba. She was just like, ngizokuthola. Kubona leyo nto leyo. Imshololo engingemazi ngaze miyeke uBaloyi. So basically uNxumalo is done. We understand that with his cross examination, because concentrated nje kule nto lokuthi anazani no accused number 4, and uzamile uratha ukumenza izinto abe prosecutor kube yena usho ukuthi I know that's not done, this is what's going on. Like yamazi uNxumalo uzithulele, like his name, he was just like, I'm not gonna listen to this guy. Can I just get on with it, you know? So basically, umshololo idlela imali yase legal aid for accused number 5. Accused number 5, he will never come out of jail, guys. Let's just get that clear. Yeah, no, not after futhi no Bheki Cele akhuluma ngaye there ad hoc. Ngeke nje asaphuma. Esho office okuhle Ntuli bathola ama bail. you know, just so that they can commit more crimes. That's how it was going on there. Kukuthi naye umkhulu ukuthi yourself ubheka icele of a skebenga. Ukubona. So all I'm trying to say is that uFisokuhle Ntuli, guys, let's just get that straight. Ulapha to clear his name. Ngokuthi angiyona mastermind and no Kelly Khumalo zangineyimali mina and angimazi and mina I did not kill Senzo Mayo. That's where he is. He's on the tip. You know, Umsholo is making money ngapha. He's on that thing. Yokuthi anginandaba vele namacala ama 100 sike is fine. I give that to South Africans. But mina uSenzo Mayo ngimazi. And I never really analyzed him.
Guys, we know very well ukuthi Umsholo akadlalelwa. She's like a serious queen. Loya muntu. Akadlalelwa nje Umsholo. She doesn't play like that. And she started off very slowly. She didn't rush things. She was just like, please, let's get things right. Accused number 2, Bonga Ntanzi. Nofisokuhle Ntuli. Don't know each other. Before all this happened, they only met at Boksburg. So let's not, please, try and get other narratives from Brigadier Gininda, busy fooling everybody with these people know each other. Wabahlanganisa yena. Because at the back of his mind, no accused number 2, you know, Umsholo is just pushing that narrative. You know what? At the end of the day, whatever happens here, Untanzi, his confession was forced out of him. He wasn't even given a chance by the police to put out rights to him. It's okay. These are your rights. He was just forced over and over again. No miskronyelo wakhona esigebeng office geleke. That person actually lied for in court so many times, even about how he's hired and when. She lied so much, that lady. I was just like, I'm done. So Umsholo is just like, you know what? Sila sikhona, because this guy was forced into his confession, basically. When is Constable Zungu Usizwe going to be arrested, Beno Gininda? Because this thing of them fabricating this and switching numbers, Lungisan, and saying, okay, accused number 5, Uyamazu Lungisan naye, right? And then Nontanzi. Bazothatha number, but when Uyamazu Lungisan, so which means you know Nontanzi, so which means you've been speaking. Guys, like, when? Must I explain one and the same thing? Sekusho Ntanzi. Angimazi mina. Accused number 5 Ufisokuhle Ntuli. Angimazi. Yes, I know Lungisani, and yes, Lungisani, no, accused number 5, no, know each other. Please. The way Gininda is so slow. Oh my gosh, like he's like a slow coach. How can accused number 2 be speaking to Lungisani when he was arrested? And they took the phone from him. So now, like, Gininda guys is like really, really dumb, eh? Colonel Khosi ufaka ubani manipulator Brigadier Gininda. Hey, this person is dark. Hey, Brigadier Gininda.
Lokho ke uma besho ke phambi kwenkantolo ukuthi kwakuphakathi ke kwe-25 zika-August 2020 kanye ne-8 zika-December 2020.
So in other words, this sentence says you, as accused number 2, using the number ending with 16890, you conducted the number ending with 51239, the one you have said belongs to Lungisani.
Okushiwoyo ke lana ukuthi wena ke usebenzisa inamba egcina ngo-16890 waxhumana ke nale number egcina ngo-51239.
You understand?
Yes, I understand.
So is it correct what is written here to say you conducted Fisokuhle?
Ingabe ke kuyikona ke yini lokho okubhaliwe lana ukuthi wena ke waxhumana noFisokuhle Ntuli?
No,
my lord, it's not true.
And the period, according to Colonel Host of this communication, was from the period of 5 August 2020 to a period of 8 December 2020. Where were you during this period?
Manje-ke isikhathi-ke ngokobufakazi bakhe uKenneth Host ukuthi kwakuphakathi kwe-25 August 2020 kanye ne-8 December 2020. Wawukuphi wena ngalesikhathi lesi?
25 August 2020 and 8 December 2020. Where were you during that period?
25 August 2020 kanye no-8 December 2020. Ngaso isikhathi leso wawukuphi?
Bese ngiboshiwe ngaboshwa ngo-June 16.
I was already arrested. I was arrested on the 16th of June.
So would you have been able to communicate with the number belonging to Lungisani during this period of 25 August 2020 to 8 December 2020?
Ingabe wawuzokwazi yini-ke ukuthi-ke uxhumane nale number lena-ke kaLungisani ngaso isikhathi leso 25 August 2020 kanye no-8 December 2020?
Cha ngangeke ngikwazi Nkosikazi.
No, I would not have been able to, my lord.
Why?
Ungani?
Ngase ngiboshiwe ifoni beyithathile amaphoyisa.
I was already arrested and the phone had been confiscated by the police.
So if Colonel Host got this information to say there was a communication between this cell phone of yours and that one of Lungisani, that communication was not made by yourself. In other words, you are not the one who conducted even that Lungisani because you were incarcerated.
Uma-ke yena uKenneth Host-ke esho lokhu-ke noma-ke ethula lokufakazi-ke kusho ukuthi kwangewena-ke owayeqhumana naye-ke uLungisani ngoba wena wawusewuboshiwe.
Azange ngixhumane noLungisani sengiboshiwe.
I never made contact with Lungisani when I was or when I had already been arrested, my lord.
Ukube mhlambe yena uthe ngo-2018 2019 bengingasho ukuthi yabe ngaxhumana sengiboshiwe esidala.
If it was said, my lord, that it was between 2018 and 2019, then I would have agreed, my lord, or considered. But in 2020, when I was already arrested, not at all.
So it's not correct what has been presented by Colonel Host that this number ending 16890 communicated with 1239 by yourselves because you were incarcerated.
Okusho ukuthi-ke lokhu-ke okushiwo phambi kwenkantolo akusona iqiniso ukuthi inamba lena-ke egcina ngaye u-16890 yaxhumana-ke nale namba egcina ngaye u-1239 ngaso isikhathi leso sishiwo ngoba wawusewuboshiwe ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Yebo ngase ngiboshiwe kodwa lona iqiniso.
Yes, I was already arrested. It's not true.
Mina mangibosha ifoni yami ithathiwe 2 yamafoni.
When I was arrested, 2 of my phones were confiscated.
And you also did not communicate with Mr. Ntuli during this period when you were incarcerated.
Nokuthi-ke awukazeke uxhumane naye umnumzane uNtuli ngaso isikhathi leso owawusewuboshiwe-ke ngaso.
Cha ngaze ngixhumana ngimazi nje.
No, I've never contacted him or communicated with him because it's unknown to me.
During the period of October 2014, did you communicate with Mr. Fisokuhle Ntuli on any number?
Ngo-October ka-2014 ingabe waxhumana yini naye umnumzane uFisokuhle Ntuli noma kuyiphi inamba?
Cha azange ngixhumana naye angimazi.
No, I never contacted him or communicated with him because I don't know him.
Yeah, okay. And then Mr. Fisokuhle Ntuli, during the period of 2013 to 2017, was using the following number that has been placed on record: 0766 427007.
Umnumzana uFisokuhle Ntuli phakathi ko-2013 no-2017 wayesebenzisa inamba le eku-076 427 007.